Hey guys, just arrived in Croatia after spending the night in a night bus from Munich. And I was hoping to get an Uber when I arrived. It was like 6 a.m. here, but there are no drivers. So now I have to walk another 1.5 hours to go to my friend's apartment. But yeah, anyways, I don't mind so much. I'm still super excited to see my friends and to finally travel again, doing some cool day trips and stuff. So yeah, let's go.
Mike, where are you?
Satman.
Hey!
On our first day, we chilled at the beach, made new friends, watched the waves. And the next day, we headed out to Plitvice National Park, which is known to be one of the most beautiful national parks in Europe. The trip to Plitvice National Park was amazing and definitely worth all the effort. But after having such a long day, we decided to spend the next day in our local area. First part of our itinerary, having a look at our friends' wakeboard skills. Second part of our itinerary, being kids again for a while. For the next day, we decided to visit Slovenia. Guys, are you excited to go to Lake Bled?
Yeah!
Yes.
Excited for the next leg?
Yay!
Oh, that's so like fake excitement.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
excited, okay, let's go. so many amazing places that day, but also we were super exhausted when we arrived at home. I fell into bed like a stone and slept in the next day. The next morning we had a look at some of the funny videos that I captured with my 360 camera in the water park. We enjoyed the view from the balcony and we went to the beach again.
How did you like driving, Kate?
It was horrible.
Okay. Это большое.
Большое. No, no, no,
After that, we finally explored some of the amazing cities in Istria. The beautiful coastal city of Porec, Pula, famous for its ruins from Roman times, and Rovinj, with its beautiful old town close to the sea. When I think about this trip, I feel incredibly grateful for the opportunity to make my first ever travel video, and of course for my friends and the amazing time that we had. I know that without them I could have never made this travel video. They were so patient and supportive, even though I was filming all the time. And I'm thankful for being able to learn and continue to learn about travel filmmaking, the thing I became the most passionate about.